Orange cat shenanigans.
There's no way you're about to do that.
Pumpkin!
Her cat has the best birthday parties.
Well, if it isn't the consequences of my own actions, you can't have it back.
Why are you yelling at me now? Meow! It's the second I get a...
What is really the point of sitting on the couch and not facing the outside? Like, you're literally facing the arm of... What is wrong with y'all?
Sensitivity way too high. He gets all the ladies. Completely mesmerized by birds.